The Center for Disease Control has put a contagious disease warning in effect for the entirety of the United States due to an illness that has yet to be named. This disease was made by Pablo. The disease's symptoms are, but not limited to, coughing blood, bloody diarrhea, major blood loss, abdominal pain, headaches, and losing bones from the arms, hands, legs, and feet.
Welcome to the 5 o'clock news. I'm Aiden, I'm the host today. We have some breaking news. A shooting has broke out at the LA County Park. Be advised, police are on scene. Do not worry, just avoid the area. And it looks like we're gonna have an emergency broadcast here soon, so just be prepared.
This message is being broadcasted by request from the LA County Sheriff's Office. At 12:03 p.m. a criminal by the name of Pablo opened fire on civilians near the city's park. Please avoid the area as the police are trying to de-escalate the situation. In other news, the disease has been named L0S3-B0N3S. Please stay tuned for updates on the current emergencies.
This broadcast has been hacked. I'm Pablo. It doesn't matter who you are, young or old, what race you are, or what you look like. I will find you, I will break in your house, and I will eat your bones.
Breaking news has just came in. Pablo has been shot dead in his apartment by the Los Angeles County Police. We have body cam audio from the officers that shot him. We'll be playing that here in a few. Next up, after this, more on the reports.
Pablo, we have you surrounded. Please come out with your hands up and we can do this peacefully.
You can't
Drop the
kill
gun,
me.
Pablo.
I'm Pablo
Drop
and
the
I
gun,
will...
drop the gun.
Well, that was the body cam audio. It's also turned out that the disease has gone away due to Pablo being dead, and he is no longer taking care of it. Well, see you soon. This was Aiden with Pt.2 Power 106, 105.9 FM.